Hello, my name is Coiled Johnson from RDK Studios. Today we'll be discussing how to wrap cables. Stay tuned. Alright, so the method we'll be using is called over-under. So you'll begin by taking the cable, one end, and making one full loop. Just like such, just completing the loop, right? Do it once more. So start here, complete the loop. That's your over. Next, you'll take your hand and invert it. So turn it around. So grab the cable, I usually grab with just an index finger, and then you're going to turn it inside out. And that is your under. Once more, so start from the beginning. So you make it over. The next loop will be under, over, under. All right. You want to keep the loops about the same size so that your cable is nice and neat. Over, under. Let's see, straighten it out here. There we go. Over, under, over, under. And the more comfortable you get with it, the quicker you'll go. And voila. Nice over under cable. The purpose is so that you avoid putting kinks into your cable, which can lead to damaging it, so that you have issues with connectivity, as well as it keeps it from getting knotted. So whenever you drop the cable or let it run, it'll never have a knot because they're all loops that avoid knots. So really helpful. One thing I would be cautious of too is not only just XLR but other types of cable, especially those that have like fiber optics in them. They're really expensive, so this is important so that you're not replacing the cable. It helps your gear last longer, and all this good thing. So just take the time, man. Over under, it's a game changer. Yeah, if you're ever gripping on set, they'll know that you know what you're doing because it's the fundamental. So might get called back for another job. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.